Glow up like celebrities but you don't want to go under the knife? Or maybe just don't know where to start? Well, worry not, this video will guide you on how to glow up like celebrities naturally. 1. Achieve your ideal weight. Gradual process. Reaching your ideal weight is not something that happens overnight. It requires a consistent effort over time, and the results can greatly enhance your overall appearance. Dietary focus. Consider intermittent fasting to regulate your eating habits. Focus on whole foods, avoiding processed foods and reducing sugar intake. Incorporate green tea or cinnamon tea for metabolism-boosting benefits. Apple cider vinegar detox and lemon water are excellent additions to your diet, aiding in digestion and hydration. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Prioritize protein and vegetables to maintain muscle tone. Exercise routine. Aim for 10,000 steps a day to stay active. Combine different workouts such as Pilates, strength training, cardio, and HIIT to build strength, endurance, and flexibility. Lifestyle tips. Get enough sleep to allow your body to recover and function optimally. Avoid late-night snacking, as it can disrupt your metabolism and sleep patterns. 2. Consistent skin care. Key ingredients: vitamin C for brightening and antioxidant protection, retinol for anti-aging and skin renewal, vitamin E for hydration and healing. Routine tips. Incorporate face masks once or twice a week according to your skin type to address specific concerns like hydration, detoxification, or soothing. Gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and promote a healthy glow. Consider dermaplaning or shaving peach fuzz for a smoother complexion. Regularly treat blackheads and whiteheads to prevent clogged pores. Product application. Always apply sunscreen daily to protect your skin from UV damage, which can accelerate aging. Moisturize regularly to keep your skin hydrated and supple. 3. Chemical peels. Skin tone and texture. Chemical peels are highly effective in evening out your skin tone and improving texture, resulting in a fresher and more radiant complexion. Types of peels. Start with milder peels like glycolic acid or lactic acid, especially if you're new to chemical exfoliation. Gradually increase the strength as your skin builds tolerance to avoid irritation. Benefits: it reduces hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and acne scars, stimulates collagen production, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful appearance, helps in unclogging pores and preventing breakouts. 4. Microneedling. Collagen boost. Microneedling stimulates collagen production, which is essential for maintaining youthful, firm skin. Benefits: helps reduce the appearance of acne scars, fine lines, and enlarged pores, improves skin texture and tone, giving your face a smoother, more even appearance. 5. Facial massage. Benefits of massage: improves blood circulation, which nourishes your skin and gives it a natural glow, reduces puffiness and promotes lymphatic drainage, leading to a more sculpted appearance, relieves tension in facial muscles, which can soften the appearance of fine lines. Techniques: use gentle, upward strokes to lift and firm the skin, incorporate a facial oil or serum to reduce friction and enhance the experience. Focus on areas like the jawline, cheekbones, and forehead for a more defined look. Routine: integrate facial massage into your nightly routine, even if just for a few minutes, to see gradual improvements over time. 6. Nail care. Healthy nails. Keep your nails well maintained by trimming and filing them regularly. Apply cuticle oil to nourish the nail bed and prevent dryness. Shaping: choose a nail shape that complements your hands, whether it's square, round, or almond. Maintenance tips: consider a clear or nude polish for a subtle, polished look. Keep your nails clean and free of dirt, which is important for both appearance and hygiene. 7. Lash growth. Products for growth: use castor oil, which is a natural remedy for promoting thicker and longer lashes. Latisse is another effective option, though it requires a prescription and consistent application. Application tips: apply products at night, focusing on the lash line for maximum absorption. Be patient, as it can take several weeks to notice significant growth. Maintenance: avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can damage delicate lashes. Consider using a lash serum to maintain growth and prevent breakage. 8. Grooming facial hair. Regularly shave or wax facial hair to maintain a smooth, polished look. Use soothing products post-shave or wax to avoid irritation and ingrown hairs. Eyebrows. Shape your eyebrows according to your face and eye shape for the most flattering look. Regularly groom them to keep the shape neat and defined. Additional tips: consider professional eyebrow grooming or threading for a more precise result. Use eyebrow pencils or gels to fill in sparse areas and enhance your natural brow shape. 9. Hair growth. Healthy hair tips. Take biotin supplements to support healthy hair growth. Use natural oils like castor oil, rosemary oil, and onion juice on your scalp to nourish the roots. Coconut oil can also be applied to the hair length to add moisture and shine. Techniques: understand your hair porosity and texture to choose the right products and techniques. Trim split ends every 2 to 3 months to prevent damage from spreading. Styling tips: be gentle when combing, using a wide tooth comb to minimize breakage. Limit the use of heat styling tools to preserve the health of your hair. Embrace your natural hair type and learn how to style it in a way that suits you best. 10. White teeth. Brighten your smile. A white smile can significantly enhance your appearance, making you look more vibrant and youthful. Oral hygiene routine. Brush your teeth twice a day using whitening toothpaste. Floss daily to remove plaque and food particles that brushing alone can't reach. Consider using whitening strips or trays for additional brightening. Professional care. Visit your dentist regularly for cleanings and checkups. Discuss professional whitening treatments if you're looking for more dramatic results. Dietary tips: avoid foods and drinks that can stain your teeth, such as coffee, red wine, and dark berries. Rinse your mouth with water after consuming such items to minimize staining. 11. Body care. Exfoliation. Regularly exfoliate your body to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother skin. Use a gentle scrub or a dry brush, depending on your skin type and sensitivity. Moisturizing. Apply a rich moisturizer or body butter after showering to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft. Pay extra attention to areas prone to dryness, like elbows, knees, and heels. Routine. Consider using a body oil for additional hydration, especially during colder months. Incorporate body care into your daily routine to maintain smooth and radiant skin. 12. Clothing. Presenting yourself well. Always wear clean, ironed clothes to present yourself in the best light. Choosing outfits. Select clothes that suit your body type, enhancing your natural shape. Experiment with different styles to find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Wardrobe tips. Invest in timeless, quality pieces that can be mixed and matched. Keep your wardrobe organized to make dressing up easier and more enjoyable. 13. Be your own stylist. Weekly planning. Take 1 hour each week to plan your outfits, makeup, and hairstyles for the upcoming days. Benefits of this practice: reduces daily stress and ensures that you're always prepared to look your best. It saves time in the mornings, allowing you to start your day calmly and confidently. Outfit coordination. Coordinate your outfits based on your schedule and the weather for the week. Mix and match pieces to create different looks without needing an extensive wardrobe. Makeup and hair prep. Pre-plan your makeup and hair based on the events or tasks you have scheduled. Consider simplifying your routine with a few go-to looks that are easy to execute. 14. Accessorize thoughtfully. Elevate your look. The right accessories can transform a basic outfit into something stylish and chic. Key accessories. Invest in classic pieces like a good quality watch, simple jewelry, and a versatile handbag. Use scarves, belts, and statement jewelry to add interest to your outfits. Be mindful of proportions. Avoid over-accessorizing to keep your look balanced. 15. Fragrance layering. Signature scent. Smelling good is a subtle yet powerful way to enhance your presence. Layering tips. Start with a scented body lotion or oil, followed by your perfume to make the scent last longer. Choose a fragrance that suits your personality and the occasion. Avoid overspraying. A light mist on pulse points is often enough. 16. Mind your posture. Importance of posture. Good posture not only improves your physical appearance, but also your overall health and confidence. Posture tips. Stand tall with your shoulders back and chin parallel to the ground. When sitting, keep your back straight and avoid slouching. Practice exercises that strengthen your core muscles as they play a key role in maintaining good posture. Benefits of proper posture enhances your silhouette, making you appear more poised and confident. It helps prevent back pain, neck pain, and other musculoskeletal issues. 17. Soft speech. Graceful communication. Speaking softly and calmly adds an element of grace to your overall demeanor. Benefits. Soft speech conveys confidence, self-assurance, and elegance. It encourages others to listen attentively, creating a more pleasant interaction. Practice tips. Practice speaking slowly and enunciating your words clearly. Avoid speaking too quickly, as it can come across as anxious or unprepared. Incorporate pauses in your speech to emphasize key points and maintain a calm tone. 18. Invest in quality sleep. Prioritize rest. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health, beauty, and well-being. Sleep hygiene. Create a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to promote restful sleep. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed to reduce blue light exposure, which can interfere with sleep. 19. Hydrate regularly. Importance of hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining clear, radiant skin and overall health. Daily water intake. Aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily to keep your body hydrated. Incorporate hydrating foods into your diet, such as cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Benefits. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins, reduces bloating, and keeps your skin looking fresh and plump. It also supports digestion, energy levels, and overall bodily functions. 20. Limit screen time. Protect your eyes and mind. Excessive screen time can lead to eye strain, poor posture, and stress. Limiting it can improve both your physical and mental well-being. Time management tips. Prioritize completing important tasks before engaging with your phone or other screens. Set specific times for checking social media or emails to avoid constant distractions. Use apps that monitor and limit your screen time to help you stay on track. Benefits. A reduced screen time can improve your sleep quality by minimizing blue light exposure before bed. It also frees up time for other activities that contribute to your glow-up, such as exercise, reading, or self-care routines. 21. Journaling. Mental well-being. Journaling helps cultivate a healthy, positive mindset, which is crucial for both inner and outer beauty. Benefits. It reduces stress by allowing you to express and process your emotions, promotes self-awareness and personal growth, helps track your progress in various areas of life, including your glow-up journey. Routine. Dedicate a few minutes each day or week to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and goals. Consider gratitude journaling to focus on the positive aspects of your life. 22. Choose positive company. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your mindset and energy levels. Evaluate relationships. If your current friends are toxic or drain your energy, it's important to distance yourself from them. Remember, being around negative influences can hinder your personal growth. Building a supportive circle. Seek out friends who inspire, uplift, and support you. Join communities or groups with interests similar to yours to meet like-minded people. Handling difficult relationships. If you can't completely distance yourself from negative individuals, limit the time and attention you give them. Focus on maintaining your mental well-being and protect your energy. 23. Adopt a positive mindset. Mental well-being. A positive mindset is key to feeling and looking your best. Daily affirmations. Start each day with positive affirmations to set a hopeful and motivated tone. Gratitude practice. Keep a gratitude journal to remind yourself of the good things in your life, fostering a sense of contentment and happiness. Mindset shifts. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive, constructive ones. Surround yourself with positivity, whether through uplifting books, podcasts, or people. And remember that consistency is key. Why consistency matters. Celebrities often look flawless because they maintain a consistent appearance, even when using hair extensions or other enhancements. If they presented themselves with perfectly styled hair one day and messy hair the next, you'd likely notice the bad hair day more. consistency helps in minimizing those noticeable fluctuations. Neatness on off days. Everyone has off days, but striving to look as neat as possible, even when you're feeling down, can make a huge difference. You don't need to wear makeup or style your clothes meticulously on such days. Instead, focus on basic grooming like brushing your hair, choose clean, simple clothing, keep your face clean.